discuss the importance of contrast and how you use it to emphasize the design.
Contrast. I think some people have a wrong idea of what it means. They think it means simply to make something dark. But that's not what contrast means. Contrast is about difference. So that means you're going to make part of your tattoo dark and leave other parts of it light. The bigger difference there is between your light and your dark shapes, the more contrast you've got, and the more impact it's going to have from a distance. Especially if you go a step further and make sure your dark and light shapes are big enough and have a good rhythm and flow. So from a distance, that contrast is going to cause that rhythm and flow to stand out more strongly.
Thanks for watching. To continue on to the next video, click here. To start from the beginning of the series, click down here. And if you want to join the hundreds of tattoo artists advancing their skills, you can head to this link right here.